Crypto billionaire 69 back. Just woke up. Check the charts. This is the previous video's lines that I drew. Every time I refresh the page, all the lines get like taken down. But if you see, it's going exactly along the lines that we have drew the lines we have drew. 69. So you see what we're looking at? This is the upward trend line that we drew last video. Boom, it hit here, boom, it hit here, and it did exactly what we said it needed to do in order for that downward movement of this right here to be invalidated. So, if we go to this candle here, we can see this is what we're looking at. And this is a beautiful freaking thing. Like, this is such a good day trade pattern right now. All we needed to do today is push up higher than the 743 levels, and we're already almost there. Now this price is wrong just because I haven't refreshed it. The price is actually 740. So let's get it. Like, the power of technical analysis. I'm gonna start day trading live for you guys. I'm thinking about it. Day trading some futures to show you guys what it's actually like to day trade. Because I know I say, like, alright, you can make a lot of money day trading, but I need to show you guys how much money you can make day trading so you guys understand. But yeah, we are seeing some nice movement to the upside. This is what we need to look for today in order for this to continue to look very bullish. So if we go zoom out just a little, we could see this previous resistance at the line that we have drew at the 743 level. Okay, after that we will have some more resistance right around this level here because of this. Now we might have a little bit here, but it should be nothing too crazy. To be quite honest with you, we might as well just draw a range from here to here. Alright, the bottom, it needs to break through the bottom and break through the top. However, it can very well just retrace and bounce around in between the two. That's completely fine. But within the next week, we want to see it move up higher than these 8 levels, alright? That would be very bullish, and it will show that the buyers are stepping in, seeing this 7 levels as a nice little discount. It's exactly what I said last video. These 7 levels are a good discount. And that's how it played out. So it's a really, really, really cool thing. Really cool thing. I'm going to go over to the crypto fear and greed index. Crypto fear and greed index. We should definitely be more up towards the neutral states here. Yeah, we are heading up. Yesterday was at the 30 levels. We have moved up 4 points towards the 0 level, or down, I guess you would say. So yes, that means that the sentiment is changing. I also want to do something really quick. Just go to coin market cap and look at what Bitcoin's doing as well. Because if Dogelon Mars is moving, then it wouldn't be surprising if Bitcoin is moving as well, which it is. It's up 4.9%, while Dogelon Mars is currently up. Okay, if I refresh it, I'm losing all the lines, but I think you guys got the point. It's going as well as we thought it was going to go. 3.4%, so it's currently still lagging behind this little movement, so it does have some more pushing to go to the upside. As we can see, Bitcoin is breaking through these previous resistances, which is a very, very nice thing to see. Alright, the next lines we need to watch for, this is extremely important, are these $45,000 levels. We need to break through these levels really fast. Now we're probably going to see a lot of selling pressure here, boom. But we want to see it retrace back down to these $43,000 levels. And then, okay, dang. I done deleted the line. Crypto billionaire. 69. Alright. Boom. We want to see it break through these. Come up. retrace and bust through with volume. All right, that's what we need to see, and that should happen within the next week. So we just got to stay patient. And Dogelon Mars is looking nice right now, very nice. However, it's nothing too crazy yet. It's nothing too crazy. We still need to break these 743 levels. Once those are broken, I will be averaging in the rest of my bags. Now, we were indeed looking at this 3-bar play previously. This 3-bar play got invalidated because it had two things that went wrong, alright? And use this as a learning lesson to constantly... Have you ever heard the saying, be like water? Be like water in the markets, okay? Never stick to one trade to become... Because then you will become biased and emotionally invested. If your trade gets invalidated, your trade gets invalidated. Move on to the next one. So, how did this trade get invalidated? There are multiple variations of a 3-bar play, and this was one of not the strongest. All right, why? Because we ended it with this red bar. However, this next green bar was not as volume packed and as driven. It did not break through these 729 levels here of these previous top of the bodies, which makes it a weaker 3-bar play. It's not invalidated because we can still see this next one, which it did. We can still see this next one break through. Okay, now it broke through with volume, exactly like what we were looking for. However, if you look close after I delete all these lines, you'll be able to see a nice wick. Alright, you see this wick? This wick here indicates that there are selling pressure. Okay, there are sellers stepping in to push the price lower, and it's a good foresight as to what can happen in the future. Okay, so this is what made me not want to average in. Is whenever you see a 3-bar play, you want to see a big green candle close exactly like this. All right, you want to see it close at the top, completely full. This didn't close at the top, and it was showing some weak signs of sellers stepping in. So I was like, okay, if it's going to retrace, we want to see it to retrace back down to the top of these previous bodies at these 730 levels. Now it did, but it broke completely through, which invalidated this whole trade. It didn't set up perfectly like I was looking for. So what it did do, though, is follow this uptrend line, which is a great thing. As we can tell, boom, boom. Following this trend line is a beautiful thing. So what we need to see for it to do within today, we want to see today it close above the 743 levels. If it does that, then it's very bullish, and we'll be moving to the upside in the future, the near future. Crypto being at 69. Boom, 761s. Those are the levels that we really want to break through. Just completely bust through. Now, today or tomorrow, if it happens today, that will be extremely good. Extremely bullish. Because we'll see a nice big green candle pushing all the way up. The volume will increase indeed. And it will invalidate these previous resistance lines. If you don't have time to watch the charts, if you simply don't know how or want to watch the charts, then check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description because I watch the charts for you guys, and I will alert you guys on the best times to get in and the best times to get out right at the top, okay? Because it's important. If you have bags, which I'm assuming you do, then averaging in might not be the problem, but averaging out, if you have never done it before, or if you have done it and you haven't done it well, averaging out is very important, and I will help you do that. Okay, I've done it over and over and over, and we will get out at the top. Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm super dope. Super dope. I'm super excited for these dope price action movements that we're seeing. And yeah, let's get it. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.